Okay, my first step in this process is to Google how, and then my topic has changed over time. In this case, I'm going to choose Mexican food. From there, I'll get an article. I have to research a total of 3 articles and read 3 different articles and complete 3 different graphic organizers so I know I have enough evidence and research. So I'll click this one. Then from here, I will copy my URL or my website address and add that to my graphic organizer. I'm now at my graphic organizer and I have to copy and paste my website where I got my information at the top. From there, I follow the directions. In the text box, in the box marked text support, copy and paste text from the article that shows the criteria of how your topic has changed over time. That'll be the article that you select. Remember, you have to do a total of 3 different graphic organizers in order to receive full credit. In the middle boxes, identify the reasons that possibly caused the change over time. Take a logical guess based on what you read. Then 3, based on what you read, predict. Think of the possible effects this change will have if it continues. Okay, I'm back on my graphic organizer. I've copied and pasted the text support into my square, my box. Just from a formatting standpoint, you want to make sure that it continues to fit inside the box so you can reduce the font size, just like I just examined. And I'm going to continue with this text support all the way across this graphic organizer so I can show my thinking. So if my tech support is one key reason that the foods on our southern neighbor were not well known on American menus was that prior to the late 1980s, most American chefs knew little about real traditional Mexican cuisine. What is one of the reasons for that? This is my own thinking. The possible cause for that would be um, not enough travel to Mexico. Again, I'm formatting to make sure that it fits inside my boxes. What would the effects of that be? So this is my prediction. Think of possible effects if that change continues. If the change, if people are not traveling to Mexico and people are not learning about Mexican food, and from there, this is my own inference. This is my own thinking. So a possible effect of that later down the line, if that continues, would be Mexican food will lose its popularity and not be appreciated. Okay, you'll be continuing that, going back to the same article and putting in another piece of text for a total of 5 pieces of text, 5 reasons that you come up with, or maybe it's mentioned in the text or you infer them, and then possible effects of this change if it continues.